everyone, welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark. In this video we're going to do a nice marble design using a few gel polish colours. So we're going to use Bear Hug, Chocolate Kiss, Firewood and Snow White, which I haven't put the lid back on properly for. So we'll take our palette and just do a line of each colour. Mix them up, don't put the same shades next to each other. Always need a bit of glitter. Take a dotting tool, make a mess of them, and then get your ombre brush or a gel brush, whatever you prefer. Then just layer it down. I prefer the ombre brush because you can use the tip of it to put it where you want. I would say to do it in smaller sections as well, because then the gel doesn't get too thick that it doesn't cure inside. And you can get more colours. Everyone seems to like browns and nudes at this time of the year as well.
Yeah, like coffee colours.
We'll go up this way this time, mix it up. They're lovely colours together.
Here they are.
And if you wanted, you could take a little bit of the glitter, which I sometimes like to do, and just run it through certain parts, just to add a bit more definition. And because glitter's my favourite. When you're happy with that, cure it. I'll finish this off with some gel top coat now. And cure it. There it is. How pretty.
Gorgeous.
It is gorgeous. You could even put a little bit of gold leaf in that to zhuzh it up a little bit. I like it just how it is though, I'll be honest. Hope you all enjoyed that video, easy marble design. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and all the products will be listed down below, and we'll see you in the next video.